Next we are going to see about the interpretation, report writing and oral presentations. So what is interpretations? Interpretation is nothing but task of drawing inference from the collected facts after an analytical and or experimental study. So interpretation is nothing but it is giving a detailed explanation about the study. That is, suppose if you are giving a table or chart for your study, means you can give a detailed information below the chart and the table. That helps the future researcher to know about the table and chart in an easier way. So it is nothing but a search for broader meanings of research finding. So if you are giving a findings for your research, means so that finding you are giving that finding in your slang. So the future research may not be able to follow your finding. For that you are giving detailed explanation for the findings and make the future researchers to know about the finding in an exact way. So it is a device through which the factor that seems to explain what has been observed by the researcher. So while interpretation, the researcher, that is the researcher and the readers can able to know about what the researcher observed in his study. That is called interpretation. So why interpretation? So a researcher can understand the abstract principle that works beneath his finding. So while interpreting the findings or recommendations or tables, charts, so the researcher can understand the abstract principle what he is able to tell from this study. So it leads to establishment of explanatory concepts. So after complete the findings and recommendations, the researcher explains the findings in a detailed way or in an elaborate way. It will serve as a guide for future researchers. So while referring the previous research study, the current researcher can able to know what is happening in the last research and what he is going to find in his research. That is, in his current review, what he is going to find, that he can able to understand. So understand the real significance of research finding. So from this interpretations, he can able to know about the significance of research finding.